Hi there. This is Dr. John Whitcomb talking about the topic of flu shot reduces your risk of Alzheimer's 40%. No kidding. This is really an interesting study. It's well done. The University of Texas in Houston took 2.6 million older adults and found 930,000 matched pairs who did or didn't get a flu shot. And then they followed them. The risk reduction was 40%. This study has real street cred because it was just huge. And so it's going to be hard to deny that. And I hope you understand how that would happen. But let me explain the mechanism so it makes sense to you. All infections, COVID, influenza, common cold, all make a certain amount of stress on mitochondria. And we're not sure exactly the details, but there's quite a bit of literature about it. And there's one pathway by which that stress shows up in your brain. When mitochondria fail, you get release of reactive oxygen species, and those reactive oxygen species change the content of catalase and glutathione in your blood, and you can measure that, and you can Google and look up research proving that glutathione levels are lower, or malondialdehyde is increased, which means the reactive oxygen species and peroxide got as far as the cell and damaged the double bonds on plasmalogens, and malondialdehydes are increased. Well, when you damage plasmalogens, you're damaging the membranes that make up 70% of the synapses in your brain. And Alzheimer's is basically a disease of lost synapses. You have some 200 billion neurons with 4,000 links each, so you have 4 to 8 quadrillion synapses. So you can lose a few here and there. You have an incredible redundancy and resilience in your brain. But you can't keep losing them. And when you have a hurricane of oxidative stress from COVID or a flu shot, or flu, influenza, you're going to have an acceleration of loss of your synapses. It makes perfect sense, and the research proves it. Well, the same thing happens with mold. When you're exposed to mold and in moldy environments, people get SIRS and they get oxidative stress, or you're exposed to environmental toxins, they give you environmental stress, and those have also been proven to end up causing more Alzheimer's. Well, what's there to fix? Well, to me, the answer is pretty simple. There is a risk from getting a flu shot. There's a risk from getting a COVID shot. But it's roughly matched 10 to 1 compared to the disease itself. These are dangerous diseases, and reducing the danger 90% effectively because you're taking a 10% risk. What will work for me? I'm getting a flu shot and I'm getting a COVID shot. And if you want to fight with the science, go ahead and get your lance out and charge at windmills, but you can't fight the truth. This is Dr. John Whitcomb for News and Nutrition. Get a flu shot, get a COVID shot. It'll save your life.